Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to share with you how I ordered some things from US online stores such as Amazon, eBay, and many other online stores and had it shipped here to the Philippines. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. So first things first, what you want to do is go to www.shippingcart.com, and what Shippingcart is that it's actually a US warehouse owned by LBC. They are actually a freight forwarding service based in the US. So for example, if you want to order from Amazon, eBay, or online US boutiques such as Kohlha, Nike, or Adidas, and you couldn't find the items that you want here in the Philippines, what I would normally do is I would check if they're available online. So I decided to buy a pair of shoes from Amazon as well as a Hydracup, which isn't available locally here in the Philippines. So after going to www.shippingcart, you will be prompted to sign up for a online account. Of course, you need to fill out the details, and after which Shippingcart will provide you with their address, and that is where you send your items that you bought from Amazon or eBay. So without further ado, here is what I got from Amazon. So as you can see, it says their Shippingcart. And the great thing about Shippingcart is that they directly deliver to your doorstep here in the Philippines. Normally they will charge you like a certain amount. I think it's like $6 per pound. They have two types of shipping. Basically, I had this package shipped via air, and you can also actually ship it through the sea by sea freight. So yeah, I'll be sure to put the link down in the description below so that you'll be able to access their website and find out more about Shippingcart. But I also wanted to show you what I had delivered here to the Philippines. Normally, it said there that my package would arrive in 10 days or so. But in my case, the package arrived a bit early. I had my items shipped August 31, and it's already, today is actually September 5. So kudos to Shippingcart and LBC for their fast delivery. Not to mention the insane amount not to mention how affordable it is to ship via Shippingcart as compared to, say, having your items directly shipped via Amazon. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing what we have here. Pardon the delay. other side. So I ordered two things from Amazon. This is the first package. You can see there's a logo of Amazon. So let's quickly unbox this. So I ordered a pair of cold hand Zerogrands wingtip Oxfords. So these are what they look like. Pretty dope. Pretty happy with what they sent me. I've been wanting to buy this ever since I saw it. So, yeah. And the second item that I have here is from Hydracup. Basically, it's just a tumbler. Well, which I need for working out. There, as you can see, it says Hydracup. So, Hydracup, I'll be reviewing my items, particularly the cold hand Zerogrands as well as the Hydracup. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, again, do consider subscribing. Alright, peace. That's all we have. That's all the time that we have for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.